If your Honda HR-V just won't start with the push button, you're not alone. Let's break down the most common reasons and the quick fixes. First, check the key fob battery. If the battery's low or dead, the car won't recognize the fob and the engine won't start. Try holding the fob against the start button. Sometimes that's enough to get going if the battery is weak. Next, make sure your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. The push button start won't work unless you're pressing the brake. Also, double check the gear shift. Your HR-V must be in park. Still nothing? The car's 12-volt battery might be low. If your lights are dim or electronics won't turn on, the battery could be the culprit. Try jump-starting or call roadside assistance. Another common issue is interference from other electronic devices. Keep your key fob away from phones, metal objects, or other wireless devices. Finally, look for warning lights on your dashboard. If you see a key symbol or any alerts, check your owner's manual for next steps. If none of these work, it could be a more serious issue. Contact your Honda dealer for help. Remember, most push-button start problems are simple fixes. Stay calm, follow these steps, and you'll likely be back on the road in no time.